Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. What is the difference between saturated liquid and compressed liquid? Saturated liquid is when the liquid is about to vaporize. Compressed liquid is when the liquid remains liquid and there is high pressure pushing onto that liquid. They said otherwise, but otherwise is pretty vague. They assume that you know that compressed liquid, that the liquid is being pushed by a high pressure, and they assume you know that the liquid remains without changing its state. Okay, now before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws. Sometimes things happen. You can do this by using Snipping Tool. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open up the program. Click on Video option, click on New. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in Snipping Tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching, hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.